Good morning, students. So in this video we'll discuss the calculation of parameters of the cables. So in this video consists two parts. In one part we'll discuss the core resistance and insulation resistance, and in the second part we'll discuss the capacitance. So this is the capacitance. So first of all we should discuss what is the cable, single core cable, because in these two parts, core resistance and insulation resistance, we will consider only the single core cable. So in this single core cable, this is the single core cable. In this single core cable, this part is known as the core of the cable, and this is the outer part known as the sheath, and in between this part, this is known as the insulation of the cable. So this is core, it is written as core, and it is insulation, and this is the sheath. So now we will calculate first the core resistance, and core resistance will be calculated in the same manner as we have already calculated earlier. Okay, so core resistance is this can be calculated, this core resistance can be calculated. RC is equals to rho C LC divided by AC, where rho C is the resistivity of the core, LC is the length of the cable or conductor, and AC is the cross sectional area of this conductor, cross sectional area A of this conductor. Okay, so it has been already discussed in the conductors, in the overhead line conductor. So same formula in the overhead line conductor will be used to calculate the core resistance of the cable also. Now the new thing is to come to the insulation resistance. What is the insulation resistance? We'll use the same formula, okay, as for the core resistance, but now we want to calculate the insulation. This is the core, so core is this one and insulation is this one, here to here. So we will calculate the insulation resistance from here to here. So apply the same formula. It has the radius R, it is the capital R. So we will use the same formula. R core insulation is equals to rho I Li upon Ai. All these things are different from than the core. Rho I, here the rho I is the your resistivity of the insulation. Li is the length of the insulation from here to here only, this length, यहाँ से यहाँ तक. Ai means cross sectional area of the insulation, but here cross sectional area is continuously varying from here to here. The cross sectional area is continuously varying. If you consider a very thin layer, this insulation is composed of a very thin layer or thin filament, one filament, 2, 3, hundreds of the filaments are there, one over other. So we'll take one filament. Here it is this filament, and the distance of this filament is okay. So we'll calculate this filament. So the distance of this filament is dx. Now put the value. What is the value of Li? Length, because it has a distance dx, so Li is equals to dx. Ai is the cross sectional area of this inner part, here to here, cross sectional area of this, here to here. This is the inner part of this. So we'll discuss the cross sectional area of this part. Okay, so what is the cross sectional area, or this is the surface area of this part? It is equal to the 2 pi x into L, if L is the length of the cable. So we'll put Dri, small filament resistance, equals to rho I, dx is the length, and 2 pi x into L. L is the length of the cable. Okay, because it combined will give the value of area, cross sectional area of length L, cross sectional area of length L. So Ri is equals to, we will integrate this dri. Okay, so it is written as rho I upon 2 pi L. We can take it outer side, and r to r 1 upon x dx. So it is the rho I upon 2 pi L ln x capital R upon small r, and this is the formula. This is very important formula to rho I upon 2 pi L ln capital R by small r, where rho I is the resistivity of insulation, L is the length of the cable, R is the your outer radius, and R is the inner radius, means conductor radius, and R is the capital R is the overall radius. If you wish to calculate the resistance or insulation resistance per unit length, then you can take L is equals to 1. Okay, so this is how we can calculate the insulation resistance of the cable.